Alright, right now it's almost like 10:15. I'm going to give a quick tour for my room. This place called Livana Homestay. Have a look. So, I'm in the second floor. Here you can cook and wash. You have a fridge. You can put your things inside. On your table, you can play cards, whatever you want to do. It's up to you in the evening. It's a nice view. Look at that view. You can hang your clothes when you stay. It's a nice, beautiful room. Look at it. 2%, 2%, 1%. Maximum in this room you can stay 5 people. They will charge you 2,500 pesos per night. If you stay 2 people, it's 1,200 pesos per night. You have air condition. It's nice, clean bathroom. It's fantastic. You have a nice curtain over there. You can open and close. Totally private. Look at that. Beautiful place. Charging station, my things over here. Wow, beautiful room. If you come Patar Ocean Beach, I highly recommend this place. The owner was very gentle and very friendly. She have a Sarisa store down there in the first floor, so you can buy whatever you want for the daily needs over there, including booze and drinks, all the canned goods and the snacks, everything there, chips. Okay, this is the main street for the Patar Ocean Beach. The gas station is 1.5 kilometers this side, but the lighthouse just only 1 kilometer. Yeah, how much for premium? 70? Okay. Since the Middle Eastern war, the gas price gone up. Usually I go for a per liter 54 pesos, now 70 pesos. I'm paying almost like 15 pesos extra. No choice already. This gas station open 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So this is the closest gas station available in Patar Beach. I can see the lighthouse from here. Just only 500 meters. Let's go check it out. Wow, what a view over there. Look. Nice. Hello, how are you? So how much all this kind of souvenirs over here?
Here is only 100, sir.
100
per pack.
You can get all these things for 100 pesos. Very nice. How about this kind of purse, small purse?
3 for 100.
3 for 100. Wow, look at that. It's nice. They have so much of souvenir over here you can buy for your loved one. Look at it. Beautiful. Wow. This is nice. Hello po. Beautiful. See, look at the purse. Seriously. It's nice. How much is one? 200. It's quite nice. Impressive. I think evening time, when you come over here, you will get a lot of snack shop over here. See that? Wow, look at the place. So much of souvenir shop. Probably you'll get a good deal if you negotiate. My negotiating skill is not that much. Closing time 5 p.m. Okay, no smoking inside. Registration fee, shelter. Okay, that's cool, no worries. Good morning, how are you? So how much there is?
Environmental, sir.
Yeah, I haven't just came. So I haven't even paid anything yet, so we can pay for it, no worries. Check it. Beautiful. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 miles. Probably 100 feet. Okay, welcome to Bolinao Lighthouse. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. That is the information about the lighthouse. Please pause the video and check it out. Looks like a ruins kind of building behind there. We can check it out. Let's go to the view deck first. Wow, this is the best view on the top. Cool. Look at the view. The best view you can get right now. Seriously. You have a lot of solar panel here. The sun is coming down very hard. Beautiful. Even though the building is not finished, but they kept clean. Seriously, they kept very, very clean. Look at the place. Wow. Nice. I think that is a water tank. I guess it's a water tank. 3 more block over there. But I want to see. Maybe that is. Let's check it out. What is this? Curious. Kill the cat. Wow, that is underground. Because the underground pitch black, I put a pure video mode. Let's see how it goes. Woo, woo. This is how it look like. Wow. I have no idea exactly what is this place means. Look at the back here. Seriously, creepy vibe. I don't know the history of this place also at the same time. Look. Wow. So much of small insects are there. So from here to there, there's a lot of underground rooms are there. Wow. Look how beautiful it is. Right now, even though it is hot right now, but the wind is there, so you won't feel the dryness too much. Right now, it's like 11:50. I'm leaving from here. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Mwah.